Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you're watching the pre-market show. And let us look at how the markets are trading. So, US markets on Friday ended slightly on the negative side, is what we have seen. Right now, if you look at SGX Nifty, we are seeing some green candles forming in SGX Nifty, so that is definitely a good sign. And we know that SGX Nifty was trading somewhere around the lows of 17,340, and that is where it ended. But thankfully, after opening, it is recovering continuously, and now you can see it is trading around 70,402, which leads us to a very flat opening, is what I'll say for SGX Nifty. And if you look at the Asian markets right now, and let us see how it is trading. Hong Kong market looks weaker. It is down 1.03 percentage. Chinese markets are looking strong right now. It is this is not Chinese, sorry, Japanese markets are looking strong, but it is trying to move up. It is just up 0.23 percentage. Chinese markets, you can see it opened flat, then it moved up significantly, then it again fell significantly. Now it is trying to consolidate towards the lower levels. It is down 0.2 percentage. And Korean markets open with a gap down, but it is trying to recover right now. It is still consolidating, is what I'd say. So Korean markets are down 0.29 percentage. So overall, Asian markets look very mixed, is what we can say. And coming to S&P 500, S&P 500 futures, I mean the US futures that's open right now. So US futures, all of them are trading in the red, but very slightly. S&P 500 down by 0.14 percentage, Nasdaq down by 0.11 percentage, and the Dow Jones is down by 0.07 percentage. So all of them are trying to recover right now. That is why SGX Nifty is also recovering. You can see green candles forming one after the other. So that is definitely good. And let us see how the markets open here. We are expecting a flat opening. So that is interesting. And coming to other thing, the crude oil prices are around $89.02 per barrel. So below $90 is fine for the markets, and that is where it is trading. Coming to the currency, we have Indian rupee. After showing strength for many days, it shot up significantly, especially on last Thursday, but now it is near the 79.35 area. So we can say it is trading between 79 to $80, and let us hope it gains further strength in the coming days. And dollar index hasn't moved much. It is at 106.6, so nothing significant happening there as well. Coming to our markets, as you know, State Bank of India came out with its results on Saturday. The results were below the street expectations, so you can expect some sell-off happening in State Bank of India, but it has already corrected around 4% from its last high of around 546. So we have to wait and see how much of the negative result is already factored in to the prices, or if there is a further fall pending. So if there is any fall, we can expect the markets to stabilize around 519, because that is an area of strong support for State Bank of India. So you can keep that level in mind, and if you are playing short in intraday, you can definitely keep a target of 520, 519. Those levels are going to be important for State Bank of India. If State Bank of India shows weakness, Canara Bank will also show weakness. So it was already down 1.4 percentage, 1.5 percentage yesterday, and now around 218 should be a good support. If that is broken, then you can expect to go out of long position and maybe trying to look at short position as well. So these are the levels you should be watching out for in especially. So PSU Bank Index will be in focus, and definitely Bank Nifty will be in focus today. So coming to the 15-minute chart, we will, if you want to look at the intraday price action, yesterday the markets have traded in a quite narrow range. So yesterday's high and low will be important. If yesterday's high of 38,130 is broken, then you can expect a further upside, but the chances of that are highly unlikely because of the global markets are consolidating. The strength has not been seen, so we can expect slight bearish move today in Bank Nifty. So yesterday's low is if that is broken, yesterday's low was around 37,780. If that is broken, you can expect a further sell off towards 37,600, and then towards 37,300. So these are the levels you should be watching out. Especially I'm looking at the downside movement, movement of Bank Nifty today, because uh, the bias is on the bearish side because of huge call override being added on the call side, and also Bank Nifty has not been able to successfully break 38,000 levels, although it tried 3 times. So it looks like a triple top pattern forming in Bank Nifty, and it could not sustain. So they can expect a further fall in Bank Nifty uh, if 38,000 is not broken in the coming days. Coming to Nifty, we have again, Nifty has not been able to close above 17,400 in the last 3 trading sessions, and that is indicating slight weakness in the high levels. So if that is the case, then Bank Nifty can also correct a bit from here. So expecting, if this trend line, it was following a trend line yesterday, if trend line is broken, then you can expect a fall towards 17,220, and the 17,220 levels has turned out to be quite important, because you can see multiple times the markets have taken support around that. So any fall towards today, we can expect a fall towards 17,220, and then if you expect the markets to move up, then it has to break the yesterday's high and also the high made a few days back. So 70,480, 490 levels in Nifty spot is going to be important for the markets to continue its up move. So right now, again, expecting the Bank Nifty to consolidate with a slight negative bias this week and today as well. So we have to wait and see how the Nifty trades, and overall things are on the slightly on the bearish side, I told you, because of profit booking happening, and also the global markets are not showing any strength. So we have to wait and see how the markets trade today, and tomorrow being a trading holiday because of Muharram, there can be towards the end there can be some kind of sell-off in the markets as well. So keep in mind that, and with that, I'll conclude the pre-market show here. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.